It's a privilege and honour for me to be standing here this afternoon at Neath Cricket Club. I'd like to congratulate everyone at the club for their efforts in bringing first-class cricket back to Neath, here at the Gnoll. Staff at the club have done an excellent job in getting the pitch and facilities up to the standards needed to be able to host two of Glamorgan's 50-over games. This is a fantastic news for the cricket fans living in the area, and is also a great opportunity to put Neath back on the map. Many Welsh rugby legends such as Shane Williams and Jonathan Davies have entertained fans close to here over the years. And I'm sure Glamorgan will create even more sporting memories during their time here.
It's been 26 years since Glamorgan last played on the Gnoll. It's a tremendous opportunity to bring county cricket back to Neath, which will increase footfall into the town. We've got a fantastic park in the centre of town which people may not have seen, the new leisure centre, and a collaboration between ourselves, this cricket club, Glamorgan County Cricket Club, and the round table means that profits from this game can be distributed by the round table into their charities. It'll also affect the town centre in the bars, the restaurants, the cafes. The footfall there will increase, and hopefully those people will come back into the town after the cricket is finished.